kids! Let's play Name the Animal today with Bob the Train!
Yay!
What has a trunk and big, big ears? What has a trunk and big, big ears? What has big ears, really big, big ears? What has a trunk and big, big ears?
An elephant!
Yes! What gives milk and goes moo? What gives milk and goes moo? What goes moo moo, and that's what it will do. What gives milk and goes moo?
A cow!
Yes! What's friendly and goes woof woof? What's friendly and goes woof woof? What goes woof woof, woof 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 woof? What's friendly and goes woof woof?
A dog!
Yes! What loves mud and goes oink oink? What loves mud and goes oink oink? What goes oink oink and boink boink boink? What loves mud and goes oink oink?
A pig!
Yes! What jumps around going hop hop? What jumps around going hop hop? What jumps around hop 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 hop? What jumps around going hop hop?
A kangaroo!
Yes! What has a mane of hair and roars? What has a mane of hair and roars? What goes roar roar and roar roar roar? What has a mane of hair and roars?
A lion!
Yes! What has a neck that's very, very long? What has a neck that's very, very long? What has a neck that's long? It's very, very long. What has a neck that's very, very long?
A giraffe!
Yes! Wasn't that fun?
Yay!
Let's do it again soon with Bob the Train!